Good morning, everybody. This is Deb from fatfueledat50.com, and I wanted to get on here because I made Maria Emmerich's Dutch baby. I switched the recipe around just a little bit, but I wanted to, hold on, let me shut the oven. I just took it out of the oven. Guys, it is gorgeous. I doubled the recipe, and I got the recipe from this book, which is the Ketogenic Cleanse, and she makes a lemon curd Dutch baby that I decided to tweak just a little bit. She made it lemon. I decided to use I used almond extract flavoring instead of lemon, okay? Because that's the flavor I kind of wanted. And you mix everything up into the Vitamix mixer. It comes out all frothy. You put a couple of tablespoons of, well, I always use Nativia coconut oil butter flavor. If you don't have this, I think this is kind of a must-have. If you don't like the coconut flavor, and this is just to put in the cast iron skillet so your Dutch baby does not stick. So you put a couple of tablespoons of that in the Dutch baby, in your cast iron skillet, and then you mix up all the other ingredients in a blender. I doubled mine, so it was like 6 eggs, erythritol extract, and you need Rob's protein powder. And of course, I'm going to put the recipe in my blog, or you can go ahead and buy her 30-day cleanse book, which is amazing because it just helps you stay on track. She lowers the fat intake on all her recipes so that you are not eating your fat, you're burning your fat on your body so you can get lean and mean. And I've been doing her 30-day ketogenic cleanse. I'm also her keto coach soldier. Yep, I am now a certified keto coach. So if you need help getting into ketosis, let me show you this. I'm going to be posting a ton more recipes that I made. I cannot wait to dig into that, and maybe I will film cutting into it. I just took it out of the oven, so I'm letting it rest. I'm going off to play some tennis, and if you know anything about me, keto cured my eating disorder. I've had bulimia most of my life, and at 50 I discovered ketogenic diet. I've been tweaking myself ever since. I discovered the Emmerichs about a year ago, and I've been following their plan, and now I'm their keto coach, and I just feel amazing. I don't feel 50. My hot flashes went away. My disordered eating went away. I'm satiated. I have more energy than ever. At 52, I feel like I'm back in my 40s, maybe even 30s, shall we say. But you guys have to try this recipe. I actually tried filming me making the whole thing. And being 50, I'm not technically savvy yet. So I've got to edit videos. And I'm not quite sure how to do that. But if you stick with me, I can help you become fat fueled at 50. So hope to see you, hope to hear from you. Just reach out and let me know if I can help in any way. I'm here for you. Talk to you soon.